This is Melody. Melody broke her leg. She fractured it last week. And so she's had that cast on almost a week. And she's doing pretty good. Pain level's gone down. She can handle herself pretty well, get around. Lay herself down, get back up as she sees. She can put a little weight on that leg. It was fractured. We wrapped it in kind of a cottony, thick dressing that kind of immobilized her ankle and held that fracture together. And she got a little bit of aspirin, and we just kept her staying in the house with somebody the whole time, really. But she's out today, wandering around. She's in really good spirits. She's a great gal. I really love this little goat. So she has really been good, considering, all that she's had to be through, hell that she's gone through, and just that she has to be kept indoors, which is really hard to do with a goat because they just jump on everything. And she's jumped on some stuff, so she's ended up on the counters. And so we've had to just really watch her and try to keep her from doing things that can hurt her. Even walking around on this little bit of cinder blocks, is of concern, but not so much. And but she's doing way better. So there you go. She got a pretty little cast, and we're gonna probably keep that on about 3 weeks, and then change it and keep it on for another 3. And we'll see how it goes from there. But again, Melody broke her leg. It happened suddenly. I don't know how it happened. She just came around the corner limping, so I'm assuming another goat did it to her. Probably grabbed her, got her caught up in the horns, and just didn't let her go. It happened quick. So anyway, I was really shocked, of course, and I've been busy taking care of her and the rest of the herd as well. But there you go, Melody's update. She's had that cast on. Today is Thursday, so it's been a week since she broke it. Today. And today is July 31st. There you go, 2025. Melody has a sore leg. And she's also the inside goat for, 6 weeks. But her leg looks pretty good. We unwrapped it and rewrapped it in about 10 days from the injury, and her swelling had gone all down, and but you could see where the break was, and of course we rewrapped it up. Secured it a little bit more because she's kind of messing with it a little bit, but she hasn't lost any fur under there, which is, I guess that's good, and she looks great. Melody.
He's a baby.
Melody's our sweetie pie.
She's so cute. We have to admit that.
worthy of attention.
I found something underneath my wardrobe.
Melody. He's silly.
I actually had a cup of coffee. I haven't had a cup of coffee in like a week and a half. Let's get up.
Well, silly with the broken foot. She still uses it and she'll put weight on it, but I gotta keep a wrap, keep a splint on it. She's still only about, 16, 17 days after she broke it. Yeah, so getting her better. She's my babe, and she is spoiled now. She is a spoiled little thing. She's just with me everywhere, and she follows me everywhere I go, and she enjoys that. And she sleeps with me in the house at night, so I keep an eye on her. And she's constantly had a companion with her since she broke her leg. She's not left alone. So yeah, we got to get her back. She's doing really good though. I'm real proud of her, and she's been real cooperative. She's even almost trainable, potty trained. She knows how to listen now and stay off the counters, but we still can't leave her alone because she'd probably do it if we weren't right there. She'd be jumping all over the place and tearing stuff down off the counters. And, yeah. Cute little babes. She's got here. I had to tear down the playground a little bit so that she couldn't jump around too much on it. Move this over here. Get her so she's not so rambunctious. She likes to run up and down the porch and get herself in all kinds of, she likes to do twirls, and she's 4 months old, 5 months old about. So she's, got lots of energy and she wants to play. Anyway, here's the babe, so. What are you doing on there? What are you doing? Huh? Here we are. We had to take a trip today. Miss Melody, she's all dressed up. Since we're going to the city to close, she has a new dressing on her leg. She was good. She let me put that on. And she's in the shop with me today because there was no one else to watch her, so she needs to be watched. As you see, this is a barbershop. This is Cutter's Barbershop. We have a nice shop here. Just 2 chairs. Oldest barbershop in Gainesville. We're the oldest established and running barbershop in Gainesville. Established in 1959, I believe, by Billy's father. And here we have a brand new goat, 4 months old, 5 months old, hanging out. So she'll get her picture taken a lot today. She sure will. She looks good. She does. She is set up in here today. So she'll be staying with me today, and then she's going home back to the herd. And she's just enjoying it. See you soon. Melody, she got a good spot. She's got all the hay. She's eating most of it. Yep, she got the good spot. Miss Pooba. Oh, are you not sharing, Melody, that we made you all spoiled? He's got the spot. She's got it. He does. She's a good girl. Melody. Melody. There's a Shawnee back there. She's played by Shawnee. Hey, buddy. Melody. Let's go look at the rabbits. There we go. There's one beauty.